Hello, and welcome to the first tutorial at Metroun Learning. Today, we'll take a look at courses. Okay, so the first thing you'll need to do is click Sign Up. Here you'd register your username, your email address, your name, and your password, and then you click the Register button. Now this will take you through to PayPal, so you know that your payment is secure. Okay, let's log in. Once logged in, you will be taken to your profile page. Here you can see the courses, your certificates, your quizzes, how many courses you've enrolled in, whether they're in progress, finished, passed, or failed. Whilst you're on this page, we will take a look at certificates. So after every course is finished, you'll receive a certificate. On the certificate, you'll see your CPD hours, your name, and the course you've enrolled in. So let's take a look at NEC 3 versus NEC 4 changes explained. And we'll click on the certificate. Here you can see the courses, the certificate is presented to, and this would be your name, and congratulations on completing the course. You'd have your CPD minutes down here. So each course is between 20 minutes and 1 hour and 20 minutes long. And down here you'd see your QR code. Now that QR code, if taken by somebody else, they could scan that QR code and that will direct them to this certificate so they can prove that this is a certificate that's been awarded to yourself. Okay, let's go on to the Courses tab. Here on the Courses tab, you can see that each course is split into a different category. So we've got NEC courses, QS Principles, JCT courses, General Construction, Software Tutorials, and new courses added for this month. So each month you'll see between 3 or 4 courses or added curriculum pieces added to each month. So here you can see Contract Options, NEC, CC Structure, and the NEC Program are the new courses this month. Next month they will obviously change. Like I said, each course is split between 20 minutes and 1 hour and 20 minutes. So you can look at this as two different systems. You can either look at this as one big, huge course where you've got an in-depth understanding of NEC contracts, for example, or in your lunch break, you can do a quick 20-minute course on the NEC program. Okay, let's dive into one of these courses. Let's go on to the NEC program. This will take you to the overview. So every course has its own overview, so you understand what you'll learn from the course. So here you can see what the course is. You can see what the course entails. So here you'll have 2 videos, 2 detailed transcripts, key points, and quizzes. We'll go into the structure of the quizzes when we do go into the quizzes. Also, it says it will take you approximately 40 minutes long. So if you were to take notes, really take in the information of these courses, they should take this long. Obviously, time is completely dependent on the student. So it might take you 30 minutes, but it also might take you an hour. Over here, we can see the curriculum. So you've got payment, program time in NEC. You've got the key points and the quiz. And again, that information for the accepted program continues in the same pattern. Now, this is the same throughout all of our courses. So you can see that you'll have a video with a transcript, then down into key points, and then down to the quiz. Okay, let's jump into one of these courses. Now, when we click the Start Now, it produces some code, and then it understands that you're undertaking this course, and it'll say, congratulations, you've enrolled in this course, and it'll redirect you. So here we've got a 4.5-minute video on the program and time of NEC. Now, we won't watch the whole video in this video, but what we can do is we can take a look at the transcript, and it's really, really important to take a look through this so you can understand, you can pull out key points, really. So, you've got 2 broad roles that accepted program has to be. You can take a look at different parts of the transcript and a nice summary as well. Now, once you've completed this section, what you'll need to do is click the complete button, not the next button. The next button will cycle you to the next point, but it won't be classed as a completed item. So I'll click complete. And that'll say, congrats, you've completed that course. Not that course, sorry, you've completed that section, and then we'll take you through to the key points of this. Now, each, like I said, each quiz has their own key points. So here we've got program definition and function, the contribution to any objectives, and the importance and impact of accepted programs. Again, take a look through this, write down some notes, really take in all the information. We'll click complete on here, and that will take you to a quiz. All quizzes are 5 minutes long, and the pass grade is always 100%. So we expect you to have 100% of this complete. Now, what you can do is either you can go through each of these and tick them one by one, or you can filter through, understand the questions, and then come back later and finish off. So here we'll click finish quiz. As you can see, it'll give you the time spent on the quiz, the number of points. So we didn't answer any questions, so we've got 0 points, and you can review. So here it's saying that we tick this one, and actually it was a detailed plan is the correct result. We'll go back to result, and we can retake the quiz as many times as we feel practical. So now we'll finish quiz. And as you can see, we've now got 20% out of the 100%. Now, what we can do is we need to complete the rest of the course in order to finish the course. But we will, so we'll click X up here. Once you've completed a course, it will take you back to your profile page. Your profile page is found up here. Now, before I finish this video, I feel it'd be wise to show you the store. Now, part of Metroun Learning, you get the courses, you get Metroun AI, you get the QS dictionary, construction calculators, and also the lifetime template license. So if you go into the lifetime template license, and you'll see here that for Metroun Learning subscribers, we get it for free. So we can add that to our basket. We view our basket, and we can see that we can proceed from checkout here. Before I go, I think it would be helpful to take a look at the different sections also. So we'll take a look at Metroun AI. So this is an AI tool that can be used to ask possible questions. It can help you when it comes to estimating or finding contract clauses. So for example, if you were to ask it, provide me with a contract clause for relevant events in construction contracts, in a JCT design and build contract, it will give you the relevant clause. But we'll go into Metroun AI in a couple of weeks' time in a lot more detailed. You've also got the construction calculators. We'll take a quick look at QS dictionary. So for example, if you would like to know certain terms, so for example, you want to know what blockchain or adjudication or arbitration is, again, we'll go in depth on the QS dictionary in a future video, and hopefully this will provide you with more confidence when we're discussing potential elements in quantity surveying. In regards to pricing, very simply, Metroun Learning costs $179.99 per year, which is £3.46 per week. And it's education built by quantity surveyors for quantity surveyors. We understand that QSs, we're always very busy. So having an 8-hour course where we're sat in a room, we might inhale maybe 10 minutes of that knowledge, or half an hour or an hour if we're lucky. But holding all of those 8 hours is a rather difficult thing to do. So having quick 20 minutes, 40 minutes, hour sessions where we provide a lot of compact information in a short space of time feels like the best possible thing to do. So if you'd like to sign up to Metroun Learning, we'd really appreciate that. If you go to www.metroun.co.uk and sign up. Thank you for your support as well. You guys, we've got 16,000 of you guys have subscribed, which to us is an honor. And this is built for you, really, as well as businesses and educators. But if you can, either sign up, or if you can't sign up, just tell somebody about it. Then that's something that we'd really appreciate. Metroun, a commercial hub to your business.